To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Coming in from the President of the United States, Donald Trump, now he says that up to 5 jets were shot down during the recent India-Pakistan conflict that began after the April Pahalgam terror attack, with the situation calming after a ceasefire because of US intervention. However, this time Donald Trump does not specify which side jets that he was referring to, but he's made the statement while highlighting his administration's role in diffusing what he described as a near potential nuclear war between the two nuclear-armed neighbors. Now, there has been no official confirmation or evidence to support Donald Trump's specific claim regarding the downing of 5 aircrafts, but Donald Trump has also again attributed the trade deal for India-Pakistan ceasefire understanding, a claim that India, which has categorically pushed back against. As far as when it comes to India's stand is concerned, India has made it absolutely clear that there was no third-party intervention. Let's listen in to the latest statement coming in from the President of the United States.
Planes were being shot out of there. 4 or 5, but I think 5 jets were shot down actually. And Lindsay, that was getting worse and worse, wasn't it? That was looking like it was going to go. These are 2 serious nuclear countries, and they were hitting each other. You know, it seems like a new form of warfare. You saw it recently when you looked at what we did in Iran, where we knocked out their nuclear capability, totally knocked out that. India and Pakistan were going at it, and they were back and forth, and it was getting bigger and bigger, and we got it solved through trade. We said, you guys want to make a trade deal? We're not making a trade deal if you're going to be throwing around weapons, and maybe nuclear weapons, both very powerful nuclear.
Well, Tetri connected with us. Tetri, it seems there is no stopping Donald Trump as far as his claims are now concerned. However, there is no evidence to support that claim. India has already called out, as far as his statements are concerned, to be far from truth and not being a fact.
Well, absolutely. India since day one has been making its stand very much clear that there was no such mediation that took place as far as if we talk about mediation is concerned, because Donald Trump not just once but multiple times have been claiming that he was the one who mediated between India and Pakistan. But India, in fact, multiple times have rejected all such claims and have clarified that it was Pakistan who was rattled after India's Operation Sindoor. We have seen that how back-to-back strikes were carried out, not just on the terror basis but also on the military basis, because it was Pakistan who was targeting India's civilian areas, particularly in Jammu and in the border areas, not just at the LOC but at the international border as well. So that those were the strikes, those were in fact the attack that were carried out deliberately on the civilians, unprovoked attack from the side of Pakistan, and that's why in fact India responded to it, and then it was Pakistan who came to India, who approached India in fact, and that is how the talks happened between Pakistan's DGMO and India's DGMO. And in fact, Prime Minister has also rejected the claims that are made by the United States President Donald Trump of mediation, or in fact the jets being shot down. When it comes to the kind of action that India has taken against Pakistan, who is the perpetrator of the terror attack in Pahalgam, we have been seeing that how opposition has also been questioning such kind of operations that India has been carrying out against Pakistan. But all in all, if we see that India not just once but multiple times said by the Foreign Secretary.
On the same lines, when there is no stopping President of the United States, the opposition back home in India seems to be also going on that same line. Right after Donald Trump's claim on the jets being shot down, Tetri continues to be with us. We speak of the politics that has now begun already back home. Jairam Ramesh of the Congress has now been claiming, as far as when it comes to why isn't the Prime Minister now speaking and breaking his silence? The US stopped the war between India and Pakistan, and another point that has now been raised by the Congress leader saying that the countries have nuclear weapons. However, there was no trade deal if the war continued. All of these questions that are now being raised on part of the opposition is now concerned, mainly asking that why isn't, when it comes to the Prime Minister of India, speaking on the issue and calling out on President of the United States. However, now this is as far as when it comes to the government of India, be it the Prime Minister having that phone conversation with the President of the United States and the Indian Defence Forces on multiple times and occasions already have made it clear that the claims of Donald Trump are not true. There has been no third-party intervention. Let's put that out, the questions that are now being raised by Congress's Jairam Ramesh, because it seems that they are already, when it comes to leveling up their attack with the upcoming monsoon session of Parliament as well. Now, just 2 days before the monsoon session of Parliament begins, Trump missile gets fired for the 24th time. It seems to be counting the multiple times Donald Trump has made the same claim. Now, with the two messages. First, that the US stopped the war between India and Pakistan. Two countries both have nuclear weapons. Second, when Donald Trump says no trade deal if the war continued. So if India and Pakistan want a trade agreement with the US, they have to agree to an immediate ceasefire. Now, Jairam Ramesh says that the sensational new revelation by President Trump this time around is that 5 jets may have been downed. However, the Prime Minister, who has years of friendship and diplomacy with President Trump, going back to Howdy Modi in September 2019 and Namaste Trump in Feb 2020, has to now himself make it clear and categorical statement in Parliament on what President Trump has been claiming over the past 70 days. So now they are seeking a direct intervention on part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is how the opposition seems to be readying to corner the government in the upcoming Parliament session.
It is 25th time President Trump has claimed that he is the person who made the ceasefire possible with India and Pakistan. My question to Prime Minister is why he is on a mouth breath for so long. He has made the Foreign Secretary to speak in Hindi, but he is not ready to speak in English. When he can speak it in English from Bihar, why he is not replying to President Trump? Now, this time, President Trump has gone further. He has claimed that our flights fighter flights has been 5 has been brought down. Why after this also Mr. Modi is silent?
Well, let's get in a word from Nyamika, who's connected with us. Nyamika, it seems that this seems to be a plank that the opposition seems to be readying on, because it seems what the BJP has been claiming that they believe and trust more as far as the statements of President Trump is concerned, rather than their own government, rather than their own defense forces.
Well, the entire India bloc is standing united when it comes to Pahalgam terror attack and questioning the Modi government regarding this entire matter, as just 2 days before the commencement of the monsoon session of Parliament. This is once again the statement which has been given by the US President Donald Trump, to which now the Congress party has already started questioning the silence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What they are saying is that why Prime Minister is not ready to make any such statement regarding the repeated claims which are being made by Donald Trump regarding the ceasefire announcement between India and Pakistan. And now the recent statement which he has given is also regarding five of our fighter jets, as he had claimed that these fighter jets had got shot down during the war which was going on between India and Pakistan, to which now the Congress party is saying that why we are allowing any such statement being given on the part of the US President, why our Prime Minister is not ready to speak on this entire matter. And that is the only reason why Congress party has already made it very clear that they are going to rake it up in the upcoming Parliament session. Today also there is going to be a very important meeting of the India bloc leaders in the evening, in which they are going to make a common strategy for the floor as how they are going to corner the government in the upcoming Parliament session. And this is going to be the major issue which they are going to rake it up in the upcoming days, because the entire India bloc parties are standing united, seeking a reply on the part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that when he had
one of the issues that the opposition seems to be making itself ready just before the Parliament session of the monsoon session of Parliament begins, in about 2 days as far as when it comes to yet another claim, yet another statement on India-Pakistan conflict that has been made by President Trump. Nyamika, for the moment, thank you very much for